Hey everyone, it's Erin here at Sherwood Hyundai. Today I'm going to take you for a walk around this gorgeous 2018 Kia Sedona LX. This four-door front-wheel drive minivan comes with a 3.3-liter engine under the hood and a 6-speed automatic transmission with overdrive. It has projection-style headlights and a really cool-looking grille. It comes on a set of Kumho tires on 17-inch rims. Along the driver's side here, you see that it does have signal light indicators on the side mirrors. The side mirrors also fold in. This Kia Sedona comes with a proximity key. You can lock and unlock the vehicle from it, as well as you can open the power sliding doors, which we'll go through later. You can hold and open your trunk, as well as there is a panic button. Just make sure that you have this key fob on your person, and then you can lock and unlock your vehicle from the push of a button. Having a look here, you see that it does have power windows, locks, and mirrors. And at the top there, you see that it does have power folding in side mirrors. Having a look down here, you see that it does have power seats on the driver's side. It does also have power seats on the passenger side. Beautiful beige cloth seating throughout the interior of this minivan. Alright, so we're sitting inside this minivan. Let's start her up. Alright, so as I mentioned, this is a 2018. It has 31,152 kilometers on it. Having a look here at the steering wheel, it does have hands-free Bluetooth talk. This is your volume control. It does have media control as well as mode. And it does have cruise control over on this side. You are able to set the headlights on auto, so you can set it and forget it. As well as that toggle there to the right of the steering wheel is for the windshield wipers. Having a look over here to the left of the steering wheel, you see that it does have the brightness and dimming controls for the interior lights, as well as you are able to turn traction control off. This is the gas cap release button right here. Alright, so this van actually has a ton of features, and I'm really excited to show you all of them here. So it does have radio. So you do have AM and FM radio. You are able to seek through here. Power push button and volume control, as well as tuning dial over here. You are able to set up your phone for the Bluetooth calling, as well as playing any music you'd like from your phone. It does come equipped with a handy backup camera for you. It is a push start button vehicle, as you can see right here. Going down, you see that it does have a digital clock as well as the hazard lights button. Here is where the heating and cooling is controlled, and the cool thing about this minivan is it has front control as well as rear control. So if you have any passengers in the back and you want to keep them nice and cool or nice and warm, you're able to do that. So here are the two dials for controlling the speed of the air coming out of the vents, and here are the dials to control the temperature. I will show you later on that there is controls in the back for them to control themselves. And you would press this button to lock it if you don't want them to be changing and playing with the temperatures. Alright, so it is a 6-speed automatic transmission. It does have heated cloth front seats for you, as well as a lovely heated leather-wrapped steering wheel. It does have an active eco mode, and you are able to turn the parking sensors off if you want to. Having a look just under there, you see that there is an auxiliary jack as well as a USB plug-in. We do have two handy cup holders here for you. And then, so a couple things here. We got two cup holders for your backseat passengers right there. We do have the handy center armrest, which has some storage inside of it, as well You push and pull that, and you are able to slide, and there's even more storage underneath, as well as a 12-volt outlet. And something else here that is a cool feature in this vehicle is it does have the power controls for the passenger seat located right here. So if, as the driver, you need to move the seat forwards or backwards, you can do that nice and easily from the comfort of your seat instead of crawling over or getting out and walking around and using the controls on the side of the seat. Alright, so we're up here at the top of the vehicle. It does have push interior lights here, a handy sunglasses holder. Oh, I lied. A handy mirror to view your backseat passengers, which is handy for any parent that may need to keep an eye on their kids in the back. You can also see me. Hello. Going up here, we do have, you can control whether the lights go on when the doors are open. We do have side power doors. Again, I'll show you that in just a second, but you can control them from here. You can open and close them, as well as there is a power lift gate at the back, and you can control that from here. Okay, so we're going to go into the back seat now. Lots of features to go through in the rest of this minivan. So they do have power sliding doors, so you can use either the button that I just showed you, or just give it a pull, and the door does slide open on its own. Okay, so having a look inside here, we have a number of features. I'm going to actually get into the back just so we can look around. Okay, so kids can push this button and close the back door, nice and handy. As I mentioned, 2 handy cup holders here. Going down, a little bit of storage there. So we do have actually 3 seats here in the middle. 1 here, 2 has been folded down. Does have 2 cup holders here if you only have 2 passengers. If not, just give a pull on this toggle and lift up. It will go up. I'm not going to do that right now because I need 2 hands to do that. Here are some controls for the temperature. Hang on, try to focus. Controls for the temperature and air vents back here, which are located up here. As you can see, the windows do roll down, not to the full extent, just as a safety feature for any little ones back here. And it does have a handy sunshade that goes up to block the sun from little one's eyes. And we do have a lovely 3rd row seat, which can be folded down into the floor, giving you a lot of cargo room. These back windows also have the sunshade, as you can see there. And there's some cup holders right there. Gray cloth seating throughout the vehicle. So you can comfortably actually sit 6 passengers back here plus the 2 in the front. So you can seat 8 inside this really lovely, well-equipped for anything you can throw at it minivan. Alright, so we are going around to the back of this 2018 Kia Sedona LX. I showed you the backup camera, which is located right under here. And then just to the right of it is a little bubble with a bump on it, so you can find it. You're going to give that a push, and you will notice that it opens up all by itself. A lovely feature if your hands are full of groceries. So we're having a look back here. So as I mentioned, the 3rd row seat can stow right into the floor, giving you ample amount of space in here. You can also just fold down the seats. Lots of room in here, even with the seats up. You're still able to store everything from a stroller to whatever you could need. 12-volt outlet there. And we have a look here. You're just going to give this button a push, and that closes the back. Alright, so we are just finishing up this vehicle walk around. As I mentioned, lots and lots of wonderful features in this 2018 Kia Sedona LX. This video is a little bit longer, but I wanted to make sure that you got to see all of the features and basically hear me say why they're useful. So come on down to Sherwood Hyundai, take this lovely minivan out for a test drive. Bring the kids, make sure you guys all fit comfortably in there. Come on down, test drive it, take it home, love it.